Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Kingdom Faithful George channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today, well, as you can see, we got so much rain to the point where the water is high and muddy. But I caught one fish so far, which was kind of surprising. I caught five yesterday morning. So let's see what we can catch today. Hopefully, we can catch some sort of catfish or something like that. So this week was a pretty good week, you know. Very good week. This week been a pretty good week. Tomorrow going back to work tomorrow morning. Hopefully come back here again tomorrow afternoon when I get off. But give God the praise and the glory. Alright, well, let's do our devotional for today. John chapter 16, verse 13 says, "Whatever when he, the Spirit of truth, has come, he will guide you into all truth. For he will not speak on his own authority, but whatever he hears he will speak, and he will tell you things to come." This is one of the most interesting part about the theology of the Holy Spirit is that the Holy Spirit is God. Jesus is the Son of God. The Father is God. I believe in the Godhead, and that God has allowed us to see things in His perspective. It's not easy to live without the Holy Spirit. We need the Holy Spirit to guide us into all truth. And it is by the grace of God that we are allowing ourselves to see things in His perspective. And I give God I give God praise and glory for what He is doing in our lives. And so, by this, I understand that He is truly God. So, that is my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.